Are you ready to transform your upper body strength and boost your confidence? Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate beginner's guide to upper body workouts that will set you on the path to fitness success. Starting your fitness journey can be both exciting and daunting, especially when it comes to selecting the right exercises for building upper body strength. Focusing on foundational movements that target multiple muscle groups is essential for balance development and injury prevention. First up, lat pull-downs. This exercise targets the large muscles of the back, along with the biceps and forearms, making it perfect for beginners. Next, the dumbbell bench press. This fundamental exercise focuses on the chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping you build foundational upper body strength and muscle mass. Dumbbell rows are excellent for targeting the upper back muscles and promoting muscular balance, preventing postural issues like rounded shoulders. The overhead press is essential for developing shoulder strength and stability, crucial for various daily activities that involve lifting or pushing overhead. Bicep curls are a straightforward exercise that specifically targets the biceps, helping you build arm strength and size for a balanced physique. Tricep dips isolate the triceps and can be modified for beginners, helping you build arm strength and mass for balanced upper body development. Incorporate these exercises into your routine for a comprehensive approach to building strength, enhancing muscle balance, and improving overall upper body functionality. Start your journey today and feel the difference. Stay strong, stay motivated,